Let's now talk about the reply to messages, because this actually relays perfectly to the first workflow, which is the comments to DM, right? So let's say you create a post and then the post has a comments to DM, the user comments, and then we send them a DM. And then the user has another question, right? We don't want to manually respond to that either. And this is where the reply to messages agent comes in, where the agent can actually continue the conversation. And so I'm gonna now basically speak out the prompt of how I want that to be set up. Okay, so the comments to DM workflow worked perfectly. Now for the reply to messages, which works on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, we want to set up the agent to make sure that it's able to respond to all messages that come in, with the goal of either getting someone to funnel to the creatoros.ca site or funnel to the App Store. So those are the two links that I want you to be selling. And other than that, I just want you to keep the conversations relatively short, trying to get as much information out of the person as you can. And just let me know once the reply to messages is set up, and then I'll go ahead and test it. So the agent says that it has set up the DM responses. I'm gonna head over to Instagram and we're gonna go into that same conversation that we got from the comments to DM workflow, right? So this is a very realistic example where a user sees our post, they leave a comment, we send them a DM, and then they want to continue the conversation, right? So let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to send a message saying, thanks for messaging. What is Creator OS about? And the way that we currently have the DM agent set up is to run on 10-minute automations. And we're going to go into that much more in depth in the next tutorial, where we set up all of these workflows that you see in this tutorial onto automations so that it all runs autonomously. But for the messages, the way that I have it set up, just to kind of tease it out, is that the agent wakes up every 10 minutes and it checks the DMs. And if there's any DM conversations that the agent hasn't responded to, it'll then go ahead and act upon it. It's 2:15 right now. And so the next time that the agent will run is around 2:20. So we're going to check in about 5 minutes. It's like that. We got the response. So it's an app that lets you post to all platforms at once, see what's actually working, and put your content schedule on autopilot. What kind of stuff do you actually create? And it's trying to continue the conversation. Oh, look at that. We got another response.